Hi, I'm Boy Bubong, and I just wanted to make this short video to show you on how to test brushless motors if they're okay. Because I have this build, and as you can see, one of the motors is different from the other, so I wanted to use these to replace that motor over there. So what you'll need first is a tester, something to hold your motors with, because you'll be spinning them up later in one of the tests. For me, I just mounted them in an old frame so that they won't move. And you'll need something to spin your motors with, which I just used my old mini 4-wheel drive car to spin the motors. And it would also be useful if your tester had alligator clips for the wires. Okay, so first of all, you need your tester set to test for continuity, so we could test each phase of the motor. So I'll start off with this motor to show you how I do it. So you just connect the alligator clips to one of the wires, okay, and you just test if that phase is okay. Okay, that one's good, this one is good. Okay, then just move this over here and test this one. In that way, you get all the possible combinations for those three wires. Okay, next we'll check if the motor is grounded to the stator or the body of the motor. So in this case, it's good. Okay, so this motor is a good candidate for the next test that we'll do later. Now let's check this one. So we just do the same thing. Connect that one to the first wire. Check, that one's good. It's a beep. Next one, sounds good. Okay, move it over to the next wire and test. Alright, good. Okay, so these two motors are actually good for the next test that we would have. So what you would be doing next is you'd be spinning the motors and checking if for the voltage of each phase. So first you switch your tester to test for AC voltage. For me, I just switch it over to around 2 volts, whatever your tester has. Okay, then you can just connect one of the alligator clips again to one wire, then the next one to this wire, then you'll spin up your motor and check for the voltage. So what we would be looking for is differences between the voltage of each phase. Okay, now so again, I'm just using my old mini 4-wheel drive car to spin the motor. So spin it up. We're getting 0.2 for this one. Now we move over to this one, and again we just spin the motor. So this one we're getting 0.16. Now move this over here and then spin this up. We're getting around 0.2, 0.3. So this motor actually is reading kind of low for this kV of motors, and it seems like there's a big difference in one of the phases in voltage. Okay, so I'll move on to the next motor and just do the same thing. Connect one of the alligator clips, one wire, then move on to the next one. Okay, and again we'll just spin it up with the car. setting 1 volt for this phase. The next one. So for this one, I'm at 0.9, 1 volt as well for this phase. And for the last one, you can just check. Setting around 1 volt again. So as you can see, this motor is actually the good one that we can use to transfer over to this quad over here. Now, this one, like I said, reads a low voltage, so this may have a short inside or somewhere where the wires inside the armatures are already touching each other. So there's a short inside. That's why it's already giving continuity between each phases, but is still giving a low voltage. So this may not spin up, or actually may, if it does, it will heat up during even a hover, if it even spins up. Okay, so I just hope this short video helps you out there. So